Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this beautiful tree collar that I got recently on Amazon. I've been looking to kind of change it up a little bit. I used to use tree skirts, but then this year I decided to try the tree collar and I love it, especially this one. This looks so good with my tree, and I wanted to get a white collar because we have this yellow floor, and I love it. It really stands out and you can see all the details. When I get close, you can see the details of the plastic. This is made of plastic, but the way they made it, it doesn't really look like plastic. It was also very easy to put this together. So let me show you. There is one left in the box. They come in little pieces like this, and you have to attach each other. See right here at the side. And once you do it, you can't really tell that they were attached. It looks like one piece, which is pretty amazing, especially for the price that you're paying. But when I get super close, you can see the division right here. So that's where you attach all of them. Another thing I like about this is how you can make it smaller to fit your Christmas tree, which was my case. As you can see, I have one extra one because it was too big. So I was able to remove this one to fit it perfectly. I've seen other tree collars and they don't even have this option because they come in like 3 big pieces. So being able to kind of mold to fit your Christmas tree it's really good. And I got the extra large collar. We have a 7.5 foot tall Christmas tree, and I think the extra one was a little bit too much because I ended up with one extra part. But we are thinking about changing trees next year and getting a bigger one, so I will be able to use the same color with the next tree as well. I think the extra large one will be able to fit in most trees. But yeah, overall I love it. There aren't a big gap on the bottom of the tree, as you can see, which was my biggest worry. I feel like this collar is high enough to kind of hide everything inside, so there isn't a big gap, which is another plus for me. And yeah, love it, especially for the price that I paid. I think this is super worth it. Yeah, highly recommend it.